Okay, now since we have the shortened URL, now it's time to start promoting it. Here we go to Google and we look for weight loss blogs. Weight loss blogs. Okay, weight loss blogs. Fine. We have so many blogs here. Best weight loss blogs 2017. You go to any of these, the top 100 inspirational weight loss bloggers. You can go to this. Okay, now we are here in the best weight loss blogs to follow in 2017. This is a list of blogs. You can choose the best one. Now this is Running Diva Mom. It sucks to be fat. Run, eat, repeat. Okay, my journey to fit. So let us try this. Run, eat, and repeat. Click. Fine, we are here in the blog. Run, eat, repeat. 3 times I'm changing to be a better runner this year. Podcast number 57. Now trust me, this niche which we have selected, weight loss, there are millions of people out there on the internet looking for solutions. They want to reduce weight, and especially at the start of the year, everyone wants to have their resolutions done. And the most common resolution which anyone or most of the people keep is weight loss. Okay, let us come down this blog. What we're looking for, comments. This is what we're looking for, comments. See the comments. This is a nice blog and there are a lot of people, a lot of traffic, and you see the comments here. You see here the link. This also is an affiliate link. Here this also is an affiliate link. See, we can check it. Right click. See, it's an affiliate link. Now this is what you will be doing. This is what you have to do. You come down here, comment. This is where you need to put your comments. You see the comments here, most of the people, and this link here, this also is an affiliate link. See the comment here, I really want to start running in the morning because when I leave it to the night time I get so unmotivated. Hopefully I can do this. And she has put a link here. Now in this way you just need to put some nice comments here. I recently started meal planning for the first time in the long time. My son joined a homeschool XCS team in the fall, and this late afternoon practice is 30 minutes away from home. Now you need to come up with some nice comments here, and at the end of the comment you need to put the link.